everyone, Cxlt Crafting here. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's great to have you here. Today I'm starting a new series on my channel called Diamond Dotz. Before I explain what this is, I would like to give a brief disclaimer. I bought this painting with my own money. This video is not sponsored. There's no affiliate links, and all said here just my opinion. So in this video, I'll be unboxing a diamond painting from Diamond Dotz. I'll have a second video showing the whole process from the beginning all the way until the painting is done. Okay, so this painting took me 24 hours in total to complete. This is a round drill diamond painting called Chinese Pagoda. The drilling area is 16 by 20 inches or a little bit over 40 by 50 centimeters. This particular canvas comes with 29 different colors. In the box you will find the canvas with a printed image, the drills, a boat or tray, a squishy or foam for the pen, a single placing pen, wax in a small and adorable container, some tiny baggies, and instructions in many different languages. I'll briefly show you the drills. The drills have 1AB, which stands for Aurora Borealis, and it's super shiny and iridescent. It makes the canvas pop where you place those. This painting have legend on both sides, which is very helpful. I know a few canvas from other companies that come with stickers to make easier to separate the drills in different containers, but this one did not come with the stickers or inventory list. So I made a copy of the legend with my printer and fuzzy cut with a scissors. I also bought these little containers from Amazon to store the drills. The containers are small, but that does not bother me because the painting is not huge and I can always fill out more than one container with one color. However, I did not do that. I preferred having one container and fill it out when I needed it. I used double-sided tape to attach the legend to the little containers. While I was doing this painting, I have one bag with extra packages of drills, all the ones that I did not fit in one container. Since I already finished this painting, I can tell you my final thoughts also on this unboxing. I like it very much. It was easy to make, the symbols are easy to see, and the painting is beautiful. I liked the wax, and it stays sticky for longer than other I tried before. I had so much fun making this painting, and just a heads up, I have more videos coming. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. Please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Share with your friends if you would like. Maybe they will fall in love with diamond painting too. And please leave me a comment below if you have any questions. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye!